Yo, what's going on YouTube? Just doing my 45-minute cardio session for 75 Day Hard. Sorry for the glare, I broke my camera. Then my camera's fucked up. I just wanted to go over a couple how-to videos on how to get started and how to get your box truck company up and running. I did a video about me looking at trucks to purchase. I didn't go that route. I ended up going to rent. But we're gonna go ahead and talk about how to get started and how to get your box truck company up and running here in California. So let's get straight to it.
Yeah, nigga, what you saying now? To get money, what you hating for? My niggas going when I say go. So my nigga, what you saying now?
Bands on the trap phone, nigga blast off. Bought a little shit, but I ain't sell that loss. Bought a new whip, hit a tax right off. Got a little Fisker and I put it in the Roth. Mix some more Keisha, but that bitch ran off. Can't pay for a feature, all the other music sold. Got MetaMask busting out the pancake vault. Got GPUs running, I can take a day off. Now we on boats on the coast, skipping traffic. Now we still float, P&L doing backflips. Start break the flow, then we turn it to a has-been.
Alright, so we're gonna get straight into it. I'm not gonna waste nobody's fucking time. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get an LLC. Later on, you're gonna wanna change that later. So you're gonna wanna go and get an EIN number. Don't get fucked over, these are free. Get a Dun & Bradstreet number. It's like a credit bureau of the business world. Okay? Get yourself a number. Next, now that you have your business entity set up, a USDOT and an MC number. The quicker you get that, the better, because you're gonna want some age to that motherfucker, right? It's better when it has a little bit of age. Next, you're gonna want to go and get UCR, very, very, very important. Then you're also gonna want to get a BOC 3 filing. You're like in your DOT inspection binder, so always carry them on you. Then you're also gonna need a medical examination certificate, CHP 362. It's a California number. This only applies for California, I think. And once you get that number, you are going to take that California number to the DMV. But before you do that, you need to make sure you have insurance, certificate of insurance to take to the DMV, or a motor carrier permit, MCP. Okay, you can apply for these online. I recommend you do everything, turn it in yourself, and you know it's got done. Okay, you're gonna go and get your business entity set up, LLC, EIN, Dun & Bradstreet, business entity out the way. Your USD and MC number. You're gonna go and get your BOC 3. You're gonna go and get your UCR, your medical examination card or certificate. You're gonna go, if you're in California, you're gonna go and get your fucking number. It's called a CHP 362 form. Okay? It's not that fucking hard to fill out. It's actually pretty simple. You're gonna make sure you have insurance first. Go over to DMV, get your MCP, your motor carrier permit. But you cannot qualify for your motor carrier permit if you do not have your CHP 362. Okay, you have to turn that in to get your California number. So that's pretty much it. If you have any more questions or you need links, need any more help, shoot me a DM, shoot me an email, shoot me a text. I'm gonna drop my email in the bottom. You want to email, you want it. I got insurance plugs, and I also got a very good dude who'll get you fixed rates on rentals. So if you want any of those, just DM me, email me. I paid for this, and I had to get it, and I had to do all these research and hours of research to get this done. So you guys are blessed, man, literally. So thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Have a good day.